Kefalonia. Kefalonia's geological wonders are standout features, with the Drogerati cave's stalactites and stalagmites forming natural art over millennia. The island's coastline is a mosaic of beaches, from the red sands of Shii to the pebbled shores of Antisamos, each offering unique experiences and stunning settings for relaxation and water sports. The island was famously depicted in the novel and film Captain Corelli's Mandolin, highlighting its dramatic history during World War II and the enduring spirit of its people. Kefalonia also serves as a gateway to exploring the Ionian Sea, with boat tours to Ithaca, the legendary home of Odysseus, and the lesser-known but equally enchanting islands nearby.